Hey guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, as you can see, I'm with Papi or our Philodendron Martianum because we will be repotting this today kasi parang nasira yata yung lupa niya, maybe because of the increasing number of earthworms na nakatira sa ilalim. But to be sure, we will check it out. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell button beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you are ready, let's begin. So guys, for today, since we will be repotting our Philodendron Martianum, we will be using this pot. So ayan, ito yung gagamitin nating pot. This is from our black cardinal na naibenta namin before. So ito yung, before we lost carding. So ayan, maliit yung black cardinal na nandito. And then ito yung gagamitin namin ngayon. Of course, we like the pot. Although meron ng onting mga diferensya sa kulay niya. But it does not matter. Magsistand out yung plant dyan. Kasi hindi naman yung pot ang gusto nating i-flex. It's the plant itself. So, ayan. Konting linis lang dyan. And then, we'll get right into the video. Guys, our Philodendron Martianum has been with us for like from August yata to eh. August namin to nabili. Around mid-August. And ever since that time, palagi po siya ang pinapasok sa loob ng bahay. Ever since before we got carding, talagang sa bahay lang siya sa loob ng bahay. Up until now, hindi po siya nananatili sa labas ng bahay. And I'm just so happy that it's growing well. We just bought this for 1,700 pesos. And ito na po siya ngayon. It is growing healthy and beautiful. So, and meron na siyang maraming leaves ngayon. Although, meron ng leaves na nawala. Meron na pong leaves na namatay. But, let's try to count how many leaves. It has right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Meron po siyang 11 leaves ngayon. And, it's growing well. It's growing beautiful. However, the only problem about this is the soil. So, let us take a look at the soil. So, ito yung soil na meron siya ngayon. Guys, I really remember that this one has a beautiful potting mix. Pero ngayon guys, ito na yung itsura ng potting mix na meron siya. So, you can see parang meron nang nagbubuo-buo. As far as I remember, hindi ito ganito talaga dati. Kaso, meron yatang earthworm sa ilalim. So, sinisira niya yung itsura ng soil guys. So, instead of looking beautiful, so ganito talaga dapat yung soil niya kasi ganito yung soil dati. Yung soil niya dati, ganito siya pagka-mix. Ito yung sa silver soil namin. So, ayan, sobrang pretty ng mixture na to. Kaya naman, sobrang gaganda nila dito. So, pare-pareho po sila ng potting mix or ng media na ginamit. However, unfortunately, sinira ng earthworm na nasa ilalim yung lupa niya. I do not know guys if for you gusto niyo yung mga ganito, but for us kasi parang hindi na siya pleasing tingnan. So ayun, meron na siyang mga nagbubuo-buo dyan. Yung mga nagbubuo-buo guys, para sila yung mga poop ng earthworm, I believe. Kasi sila yung mga traces ng earthworm eh, kasi naiiwan sila sa ibabaw and naiipon sila. I do not know if marami ba to sa ilalim or meron pa ba or umalis na. Basta, I'm seeing a new one guys. Let's take a look at it. So yun guys, parang ito dito malapit sa stalk na to. Bago yata yan, yung mga pino na yan. So, we will check it out now para ma-solve natin tong problem na to. Maybe kasi ito din yung dahilan kung bakit hindi na maganda yung tubo nitong last leaf. Medyo na-deform siya guys. Usually kasi kapag lumalabas siya, sobrang ganda. Perfect na yung itsura niya. Ganito na. Yung mga itsura na ng mga malalaki dyan. Ito talaga yung usual na itsura ng lumalabas o yung bagong dahon. And usually malalaki na yung lumalabas sa kanya. But for this one, parang kakaiba. So, we will really check it out. So, ayan. Let's begin. We have a potting mix ready na pala dito. So, this is what we will use for our martianum. So, for Poppy, ito yung gagamitin natin. And, okay, let's start. So, ayan guys, dahan-dahan lang. Ayan, dahan-dahan niyang nilulusan yung soil. Kasi, meron na po siyang maraming roots since malaki na siya. Ayan. So, let us just be careful para wala siyang maputol na ugat. Guys, once you see the soil of your plant na ganito na yung itsura, automatic, yun na talaga yung nangyayari. So, ayun, malalaki yung mga nagbubuo-buong soil sa ayun sila guys, and they are so hard. Talagang matitigas na yung nagbubuo-buo. I don't know kung ano to ng earthworm. Tai ba to or just traces ng earthworm na dumadaan. Usually kasi kapag ganito na yung itsura, sobrang laki na guys. So, I'm afraid. I know that we used a good potting mix for this one. It's just that, nung time kasi na parang aware naman ako na meron siyang earthworm na nakatira dito. Kaya nga masasabi kong I don't like it when it has a lot. So, ayan, we will be uprooting it. Just be careful in doing so. Ayan. Dun sa iba, I have heard someone saying na ayaw niya ng Popeye kasi parang medyo watery daw yung stem. But the stem is actually hard guys. Sobrang tigas ng stem niya. And parang mataba yung stem niya na sobrang anong tawag nito? Parang sturdy, super sturdy yung stem niya guys. That's what I love most about this plant. Okay, meron daw, madami. Let's just try to zoom it in. So, ayan guys. Meron para sigurong isa lang dito tapos nag-anak ng marami. Kaya ayan, wala silang birth control. So, ayan. Sobrang dami ng anak niya. I don't want it. So, ayan, dapat alisin mo yan lahat. He is trying to remove the soil, yung mga lumang soil na nakadikit. Kasi medyo basa din. Medyo yung soil niya is nag-stick na dun sa mga stem na meron siya. Ayan, just be careful. So, ayan siya. Kini-clean muna. Tingnan natin yung soil. Philodendron Martianum is really propagated through cutting. Ito, kinat din to eh. Ayan, ito siya. Top cut din to. Yan yung cut niya. In propagating Popeye, dun sa binila namin, talagang binili niya that before we propagate it, we have to wait for it to mature na parang ready na talaga for propagation kasi cutting lang din siya at hindi siya stem division kasi nakabili na kami ng stem that was divided and hindi talaga siya nag-survive. It's a bit sensitive as well guys. Hindi po mabilis dumami yung dahon niya. So we really have to wait for a little bit longer compared to other philodendrons kasi hindi po siya mabilis magkaroon ng maraming dahon and hindi mabilis na parang mag-mature para enough na ma-propagate na natin. Makikita naman talaga yung mga philodendrons or yung mga Popeye na ready na i-propagate. Pag medyo humaba na yung stem niya and medyo pumapaibabaw na lahat ng mga dahon and then meron ka na makikitang stem with a lot of fruits, that is the time that it is ready. This one, ako, malayo pa tayo dito. I'm just so excited to see what's inside. Nililinis lang muna niya yan para ma-remove talaga if there are tiny pa na mga earthworms dyan. I do agree with you guys if there are a lot of you who would tell, why are we getting rid of those earthworms? They help cultivate the soil. I do agree with that, but hindi naman yung sobrang dami na kasi talagang just by the looks of it, you can tell na talagang dumadami na yung population dun sa ilalim. Meron nang maliliit and they are really ruining the soil guys. Hindi na sila magandang tingnan. So, we will try to remove them. Hindi namin sila papatayin. But we'll just try to clean our martianum para maalis talaga yung mga maliliit na yun. Kasi, pag meron pang naiwan, yun na naman yung magiging dahilan para dumami. Yan yung reason guys, hindi kasi namin sila tinanggal before. Kasi okay lang, konti lang naman. And dumadami sila ng dumadami. And it's really not pleasing. It's not pleasing at all. And for those of you who are still in confusion of what a real Popeye looks like, then this is how it looks like. So, ayan, they are calling it Fatboy. Kasi fat nga talaga siya. So, ayan. As you can see, medyo hindi mahaba yung stem niya and super taba. So, those parts at the bottom na nag-yellow, yan yung mga nalublob sa soil. While those that are green ones, yun na yung nasa ibabaw. Eto guys, itong Melanoni, we also thought that it is a Popeye. That is why we bought it. We also had a video about it kasi 500 lang to and nagmadali kami. Kasi when it was younger, ayan, medyo mataba din yung stock niya. Meron nga akong nakitang nag-upload sa Facebook saying that it's a Popeye, a baby version of this because it has a stock na mataba and medyo hindi pa mahaba yung stock. Ang tawag na hindi mahaba? Yung in-upload kasi na photo, medyo short lang yung stem din and mataba. But that's really not a Popeye guys. Kasi ito, Melanoni, kahit maliit pa, klaro na po yung mga lines niya. Yung mga veins niya dyan. Dito sa midrib. Kasi kung sa Popeye ka, kung titingnan mo yung Popeye guys, wala po siyang mga guhit-guhit na ganon. Ito lang midrib niya na medyo mataba and makapal. So, ayan. And yung dahon niya, plain lang siya guys. Wala po siya nitong mga guhit-guhit na nandito. Plain lang siya. Meron siyang midrib but without those lines. Ano nga ba yung tawag doon? Ipa-flash ko na lang ulit yung picture ng parts of a leaf. He is trying to clean it well kasi once in a while lang namin ginagawa to. So ayan, lubos-lubosin na. Ayan, linisin na lang kasi hindi naman namin talaga palaging chine-check to. So from August, this is the very first time that we uprooted it to see what's inside kasi sobrang nababother na ako dun sa itsura ng soil niya because of those earthworms. So for those of you na wala namang issue kapag naging gano'n na yung itsura ng soil ng plant niya, then it's fine. Then go on with how you like it, but it's a personal choice na i-check namin and palitan ng potting mix because we do not like it anymore. O ayan, dahil malinis na siya, makikita na natin, o, diba? Sobrang clear na kung saan siya kinat and paano siya pinropagate. So please do not divide the stems kasi you know na there are chances that they will not survive. Although meron ding chance na mag-survive. Pero para mas easy and sure ka na mabubuhay, wait for it to mature before you decide to propagate it. Before we check the old potting mix that we had, we will plant this first kasi baka naman madisgrasya kung saan ilalagay lang. So, ayan. We have to be sure na na-plant muna siya bago tayo mag-check doon. So, ito yung potting mix na gagamitin natin. I have been telling you what is the potting mix that we use or the media for our plants. So, ayan. Ito na siya. Ready na siya beforehand. And na-mix na siya. So, itatanim na lang natin. We will check what's that there. Ano siya? So, yung layos. Yun, I remember din. Kasi nga, sa loob siya nakalagay. Si Papi talagang every night, sa loob siya nakalagay. Pinapasok namin sa loob. There was one time na may nakita kaming malaking earthworm dun sa baba ng lababo. Kasi sa lababo siya, sa gilid ng lababo siya nakalagay. And there was one time na may nakita kaming earthworm na dun gumagapang-gapang na dun sa lupa. And then, we are both clueless sa nanggaling yon. Pero, may doubt pala siya na nanggaling dito sa loob yon. So, there are possibilities na yung maliliit na lang yung naiwan dito and wala na yung pinaka-mother niya. So, hindi naman namin pinatay yung earthworm. Nilagay namin sa labas. Now, he is arranging the roots para walang roots na mabali kasi masasaktan si Papi. He is putting some coconut fiber para hindi mag-touch yung roots directly dun sa pot niya. And para pag in-uproot na natin siya in the future. Kasi habang lumalaki guys, we also need to change the pot na yung eksakto sa size niya. So, pag lumaki siya, talagang i-change namin yung pot. Para hindi yung dumikit yung roots sa pot niya mismo because the pot, this is a concrete pot. So, para hindi dumikit, nilagyan niya ng coconut fiber. So, while he is doing it, shout out to Christian Estanio. Thank you so much for always watching. God bless you, Christian Estanio. Please do subscribe to his channel as well. Baka nagbo-vlog din siya. I'm just not sure about that. So, ayan, ipapakita ko na rin yung channel niya dito. And of course, shout out din po to Miss Evangeline Sabularse. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching, ma'am. To Rans Araune. Hello. Silingan naman ni Nako, Roy. Taga-Panglaura. To Mr. Ians Vergara. So, Mr. Ians Vergara. Ma'am Ellen 70 Lozano from Davao del Sur. To Ma'am Aleida Kizo from Dapitan City. And to Miss Christine Depra Viernesto. Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for watching. So, yun guys, he's currently adding the pudding mix na. In the midst of our worries for COVID-19, let us remember to always pray and to observe the health protocols. Practice social distancing at all times. Wear your mask and face shield. And if possible, stay at home lang. Kasi talagang dito sa amin, increasing na yung COVID-19 cases. So, we are always praying for everyone, to those who are affected and to those who are also worried about that. So, guys, pray lang tayo. So, ayan guys, we are almost done here and babalikan ko na kayo for the montage. So, ayan, titingnan natin kung meron pa ba, kung nandun pa ba yung malaking earthworm na nandyan. Yung mga anak-anak na lang niya yung meron, yung mga natira dito. We aren't sure as well. Baka meron pa isa. Paano nagkaanak pag mag-isa lang? Diba? Dapat mag-asawa. Guys, meron pa talagang isa. Akala ko. Sabi ko nga, mag-asawa talaga. Mag-asawa, hindi yung isa. Paano magkakaanak mo mag-isa lang? Snake. What's this, Bia? Oh, baka ano to, eldest. Oh my God. Baka eldest ano niya
ba't
to,
hindi siya
daughter.
ganun kalaki?
Kasi talaga yung mother nito sobrang laki, guys.
Ayan.
So, ayan, magugulat ka na lang, may makikita kang earthworm sa loob ng bahay mo. And since Poppy has been dialed up, let's get right into the montage.